Hello everyone! We've recently started creating videos with the mission of providing free education in the simplest way possible. Our goal is to cover concepts thoroughly and make learning accessible to everyone. If you find our content helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. It won't cost you anything, but it will motivate us to keep improving and help us grow to reach more learners like you. Thank you for your support.
Welcome back, young mathematicians. In our last video, we learned how to solve equations step by step using the prices of baskets of fruits. Do you remember? We figured out the unknown price of fruits by creating and solving simple equations. You all did an amazing job. Today we're taking it one step further. We'll solve not just one equation, but two equations together to find the prices of different fruits. Let's jump in.
Hello, young detectives. I need your help. I've got some baskets of fruits with secret prices, and I know you can crack the code. Here's the mystery. I've got apples, bananas, pineapples, and even watermelons, but I don't know how much they cost. But don't worry, I've got some clues just for you. Look at these first pair of baskets. In the first basket, I have 2 apples and 1 banana. In the second basket, I have 1 watermelon. The price of banana is 1, and the price of 1 watermelon is 9. And guess what? The price of basket 1 is exactly equal to the price of 1 watermelon, which I'm selling for 9.
That's a good clue. Let's figure out what this means. Let's turn this into a puzzle. The price of 2 apples plus 1 banana is the same as 1 watermelon, which costs 9. How can we write that as an equation? If you have seen my previous videos, then you know the trick. We'll say the price of an apple is A. The price of a banana is 1, and the price of a watermelon is 9. So the equation is 2a plus 1 equals 9.
Now let's look at the second pair of baskets. The basket 3 has 3 pineapples and 1 orange, which I'm selling for 7. The basket number 4 has 4 apples. And guess what? The basket 3 and basket 4 are worth exactly the same price.
Whoa, 2 baskets again with the same value. Can you help me write that down? The price of 3 pineapples plus 7 is the same as the price of 4 apples. Let's turn that into an equation too. Let's say the price of a pineapple is P. So the equation is 3P plus 7 equals 4A. Can we solve for the price of pineapples and apples now? Alright, detectives, we've got 2 equations now, and it's time to crack the mystery. Let's go step by step. Ready? If you look carefully, the second equation on the right, it has 2 unknowns. The price of a pineapple P, the price of an apple A. Since we don't know either value yet, we can't simplify this equation directly. It would just stay as a puzzle with 2 unknowns. That's why it's better to start with the simple equation first, solve for one unknown, and then use that result to help solve the more complicated equation. Let's start with the first equation on the left. 2a plus 1 equals 9. Now, can you help me solve this? We subtract 1 from both sides. We get 2a equals 8. Now, what do we do next? That's right. We divide both sides by 2. We get a equals 4. So, the price of an apple is 4. By solving the first equation first, we discover the price of an apple. Now, we can substitute this value into the second equation. So, let's move on to the second equation. 3p plus 7 equals 4a. Remember, we just found that the price of an apple is 4. So let's put that into the equation. 3p plus 7 equals 4, multiplied by 4. That means 3p plus 7 equals 16. Now, let's subtract 7 from both sides. We get 3p equals 9. Can you solve for p now? That's right! We divide both sides by 3. P equals 3. So, the price of a pineapple is 3.
Bravo, you solved both puzzles. The price of an apple is 4, and the price of a pineapple is 3. I'm so impressed. You used your math skills to crack the code. I'll be sure to remember this when I sell these fruits.
Starting with the first equation helped us find the value of one unknown right away. Then, we used that information to solve the second equation. It's like solving a puzzle. You find the easiest piece to fit first, and then use that to complete the rest. This step-by-step approach makes solving multiple equations much easier. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our fun math puzzles. Bye for now, and keep solving those mysteries.